In this video, I'll show you how you can follow someone on Roblox. Now on Roblox, you can add people as a friend, but you can also follow them. If you want to follow someone, you're gonna either go to your friends if you're friends with them, or search for them up here. So let's search for someone. Let's say his username is Jacob9. Then let's go to people, find Jacob9. It says this guy. You want to come to his profile. You can add him as a friend if you want, but if you click on the three dots right here, you'll be able to follow him. As you can see, he has 81 followers, and if I press follow now, it's gonna go up to 82. So now I'm one of his followers. You can also click on it again and unfollow if you want to unfollow. But that's basically how you can follow anyone in Roblox. Now it's super simple, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.